Lived a path, so the knowledge on to the kids. A path, show me Rastafari is Lord of Lords and Savior. A path, ways from the life I once lived. A path, so the knowledge on to the kids. A path, show me Rastafari is Lord of Lords and Savior. Too many of my Africans hanging on the streets. We about to wake up their minds and make them move their feet. A sort of behavior they never really even been around. Nail on a finger to listening to reggae beats. No one's gave them alternatives, won't make Rasta tweet. We about to wake up your minds and make you move your feet. I highly suggest you change the life, the line you will spin down. Finding it hard to keep the balance with all your speeds. Too many enemies and rivals can't even breathe. You met these enemies and rivals all by your greed. And greed is a sin that will have your existences pinned down, ending up being the man you didn't wanna be. Used to be in that position, then fought with precision, then made my decision on how I be living. Rastafari living, I say Rastafari living, yeah. Ooh. Apart ways from the life I once lived. Apart, so the knowledge on to the kids. Apart, show me Rastafari is Lord of Lords and Savior. Apart ways from the life I once lived. Apart, so the knowledge on to the kids. Apart, show me Rastafari is Lord of Lords and Savior. So malevolent, coming like zombies, evil in the residence, using the fire and using the water. If it run up the earth, that's what they get a mistake, then a strike. To give me a rhythm, if you right to, I get right to it. I'd like to invite you to a zone that I'm enticed to. Those won't last a second, tell me what you reckon. Wicked, I'll be regulated, cool us off and sold the ball to letting. Why we keep on letting them in out of business? We must learn a lesson. Our hearts must be strengthened, used to need protected. Wicked can't be defended, follow you defended. No, you're not to mention, there's no competition. Trust the Fabians come along to sit and cultural energies of the African. They escalate at the pace of an escalator. My enemies try to get to the root with an excavator. Inspirations telling me it's time to show them just what we're made of, the same. But they be thinking they more superior, you ate us. The truth untold, the king behold. See, I'ma play a game, but I will decode lyrical ammunition and I will reload. For his imperial majesty I will dethrone. But first I part ways from the life I once lived. I pass all the knowledge on to the kids. A path, show me Rastafari is Lord of Lords and Savior. A part ways from the life I once lived. A path, so the knowledge on to the kids. A path, show me Rastafari is Lord of Lords and Savior.